Artificial intelligence, those bots, when they come to your website, they can't read your content if it's not using what we call structured data. Now, I'm not going to get too technical. I promise to keep it real here. But basically, it says, hey, when I put content in there, it has the headline, it has the tagline, it has the body, it has a call to action. It has, in other words, it's very structured. Every article you put out or your page has a structure to it that the AI engine or the bot can read. And then it gathers that, and then that's what comes back to overview or your search results. But if you don't have that, and no, it's not normal to have it on anything. So if you're on Wix or you're on WordPress, or it doesn't matter, if you don't have structured data, the chances of you showing up are pretty slim. In fact, just forget it. You're not gonna show up. The next one is Schema. And again, Schema is going to say, like, as an example, let's say, raise your hand if you have an FAQ page. Well, if you have FAQs, if you don't have a Schema FAQ on there, when the AI bot comes to your website, it doesn't know that's what it is. It just sees it as some information, but it doesn't see it as frequently asked questions. And here's the cool thing. If you think about AI doing search, when you put something in there, what is it delivering you back? An answer, right? So another thing that you need to think about when you're putting together or let's say updating your website is what I'll call answer clusters. And this is nothing more than an FAQ page with Schema. And it's helping the AI bots understand, oh, they have the answers we want. Now, how does that relate back? And this is me now. I don't know the exact algorithm of Google. Nobody knows that except Google, right? But when you have content that has the answers and it looks like that's the answer to the search query, it adds credibility, trustworthiness, and authority to that result. And quite frankly, who out there, by a show of hands, wants to work with somebody they can't trust? They don't look to have any authority, and they really don't know what they're talking about. Well, when you put together an FAQ schema and you put the typical questions your ideal customers will ask in one location, it makes it very easy, or I should say easier, for those AI search bots